Welcome back to Crafty Quilting Designs. In today's video we're going to be talking about quilting on a budget. Okay, so if you're really excited about that, let's get started. Have you heard of Temu? Well, we are going to be using Temu today to demonstrate to you how much you can save if you want to get into quilting. Now, if you haven't thought about it as yet, or you're thinking, well, how can I save money with quilting? Well, I'm going to share it with you. Let's have a look at Temu's website and I'll show you all the fantastic items that they have that you can quilt on a budget and save quite a lot of money, I may add. Did you know that Temu offers free shipping? Did you know that you have up to 90 days return? Temu has been voted one of the #1 apps for searching and purchasing your items. So let me show you some of the items that they have on offer just for quilting. You would not believe it. Let's get started. Once you log on to the app, you'll be able to see all of the items that Temu has on offer when it comes to quilting. Presently, you're looking at all of the quilting rulers, the patchwork rulers. They even give you ideas on how you can actually use those rulers. Okay, now this is very affordable and definitely you can quilt on a budget with this. Let's have a quick peek at all of the fabrics that Temu has. So if you type in just simply quilting fabrics, and it will all come up for you. Just simply type in quilting fabrics and you get all of the items, all of the fabrics that come in, and look at the prices from $2.96 to $5.84. Very affordable, definitely on a budget if you're trying to save money. Or as I said, quilting can be very expensive. So Temu's the right place to definitely check it out to see what offers they have for you. Alright, so you've seen some of the rulers and some of the fabrics, but I wanted to show you this. Now, I also picked this up so you can save some time. So these are simply filled bobbins, and again, very affordable, and again, save money. Now, if you're looking for tips and tricks on how to actually save money, Temu is definitely the place for you when it comes to saving money on quilting. Okay, so that's that. You can use that now. Alright, so let's talk about this. So if you're really passionate about quilting and you want to save money, this is one of the items you can actually pick up. Okay, you can pick up already filled bobbin threads and you can actually use them quite easily. This is very affordable and I'll put the price on the screen so you can actually see that. There's also comes in white. I picked up a pack of colored and a pack of white so I can save myself some time. The other items that I've actually picked up is these scrappy squares here, and these are so fantastic. The job has already been done for you. If you haven't got any scraps, and many times as a new quilter starting off, you haven't got scraps already done. But you can get these 4-inch squares, and look at that. They come in a pack of 50, and that's really beautiful. Look at the colors. I recently just did a very simplistic design or pattern called Disappearing 9 patch. So if you wanted to use these, you can actually use this to make that pattern, and I'll link that for you as well. Okay, so that's the other one. So I've actually picked up these ones as well, and I thought these were absolutely beautiful. Let's open it up so you can see what it looks like. The size of this is, it's a 7-piece set and it's 50 by 50. Really good. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful fat quarters. You get a variety of 7 pieces in here, and you can use these at your heart's content. So I think this is really good. Again, affordable, very good. It is cotton and it feels very nice in my hand. Let's look at these strips here. Now, this one I was really excited about. So these strips comes in a pack of, it's 100% cotton. As you can see, it says that there. And the size is 9.9. So let's have a look. I can't seem to get it open. So these are rectangle in shape, and these are beautiful, guys. Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. Very, very lovely fabrics. Let's look at the other one here. Now I have picked up 2 of these, and I think these are the fabrics I'm going to use to show you a very simplistic project that you can make with yours. These are gorgeous, guys. Very beautiful range of colors, and if you notice, I have selected blues so that it's easy for me to coordinate all of my fabrics. There is also another pack here, and let's open this one very quickly. All right, this is lovely. Look at that. Very lovely. So these fabrics I can definitely mix together. Now the trick is to look for similar colors and textures where you can actually use a collection of all of them to make your own project. All right, but I think I will choose these for my project. Let's open up. Oh, I didn't realize I bought another one. So there you go. Quite a lot in here actually. Oh, so I have a collection of blues, pinks and reds. Very nice. Absolutely very nice. Okay, so for this one now, this one is 50 by 50, and again, these are fat quarters. So I bought 3 packs of fat quarters by 7 in a pack. So these are 50 by 50, and these are my yellow tones. So remember, my first pack was my green tones. So these are my yellow tones, absolutely gorgeous, love that. And my other pack of fat quarters that I picked up was my purple tones. Again, shopping on a budget, definitely. Now I know there are many ways you can actually use your fabrics to repurpose it and turn it into something beautiful. Oh my God, I'm just loving the vibrancy of these colors. So absolutely gorgeous, guys. So let's go and make something now, and then let's see what I can come up with on the spot. All right, so I'm going to use the fat quarters, and what I'm going to do is just square it up. And I'm just going to square it up, all the edges the same size, by just taking off a 1/4 inch. As it is, it's saying to me it's about almost 20 inches squared. But I'm just going to trim it up. I don't have to, but I just want to start on one side so that I know all of it is even before I make my cuts. Alright, so I've got a nice straight cut at the edge. And I'm going to be cutting into strips so that I could get the desired shape that I want from my quilt blocks. So this is going to be an improv. I haven't planned this. I'm just going to go with it. And the objective here is to just take it where you want to. Yeah, don't hold back. That's one of the ways of learning new ways of using your fabrics. So that's one set of there. I'm going to do the other set. Probably be easier. I'm using my ruler where it has the markings already, and I can just simply cut it down. It'll be easier rather than having to find that marking, that cut line every time. So 1, 2. And alright, so that's our bits done. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is line them all up on the board, like so. The objective here is to get your cuts down quickly so that you can move on to the next task. Alright, so I use my strips, join the rows together. Now I'm going to do some more subcuts, and then I'm going to start building the whole block to make a quilt top. Alright, so I've made all of my rows here. I'm just joining together with the fabrics, and then I'm going to show you the whole outcome. Okay, after sewing all of the fat quarters together, this is what I have come up with. I'm going to baste it and I'm going to show you the end result. Alright, so here is the completed quilt. So this quilt I think can be used as a baby quilt, which is what I think I read it as, to be honest. I think it looks absolutely beautiful. This was an improv in making this. It was just on the spot, and it shows you what you can do with the fabrics. I did loop-to-loops for my quilting all over, and I used white cotton thread. I actually use a Temu thread for piecing, not for quilting. So the bobbins I use for piecing. I use my thread for the quilting, and I think it's come out really, really lovely. I must admit, it looks really good. On the back, I have done a piece backing for the back. You can use it as a table quilt, but for me personally, I think it's suited as a baby quilt or as a picnic quilt is what my mind is sort of reading it as. I use my own fabrics in here to raise the color profile, as well as the white strip there as well. There is a pattern for you to download on Crafty Quilting Designs, and of course you can buy the fabrics from Temu and make an exact quilt like this. So if you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe. Give me a thumbs up for this one. Do leave a comment and let me know what you actually think of the quilt. And let's give a shout out to Temu. Thank you for sponsoring the video today. Bye for now, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy quilting!